Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be taking a closer look at Green Goo. Green Goo makes homeopathic salves and ointments for various needs and ailments. Where they stand out is their ingredients. They use all natural ingredients in their products, ranging from first aid to everyday skincare. So what's the big whoop, and why is it worth it? Why care about Green Goo? There are so many other salves and ointment brands on the market. However, rather than using pre-made extracts, they take fresh and dried herbs and infuse them with organic oils to increase the medicinal value of the products. They take fresh and dried herbs that are already known to be anti-inflammatory or have these attributes about them that have this healing factor, and they infuse it with organic oils. It's taking two products on their own that already offer great healing action and combining it to just give it a supercharge. To take that even further, they carefully combine specific ingredients that have complementing actions. A great example of this is Calendula and chamomile, which are both anti-inflammatories. They're both components of the dry skin Green Goo. So instead of just getting one action from one source, you get various herbs that are working together to deliver a more robust effect. Obviously, for dry skin, the end game is anti-inflammation and hydration. So what we have here, we have Green Goo's Poison Ivy, Pain Relief Salve, First Aid Cream, Skin Repair Salve, and a Dry Skin Salve. I would say that these specific ones are perfect for any outdoors first aid kit. Obviously the Poison Ivy Salve goes without saying. It's something that anyone headed into the outdoors, especially hikers and trekkers, are going to want to have. It's not just for poison ivy. It will treat poison oak and a lot of the other poisonous plants that you'll find out on the trail. But dealing with itchy, blistery skin is never fun and something that you're going to want to have. So in the Poison Ivy Salve, there is plantain, chickweed, comfrey, and myrrh. The plantain is an astringent and is soothing. Chickweed is cleansing, protects the skin, and basically helps prevent spreading the poison ivy even further. The comfrey protects and coats the skin from irritation, so you get kind of a coating on that so you're not exposing the already affected area. And the myrrh is cleansing and helps soothe the skin as well. They work all together, make for an amazing salve. The Dry Skin Salve contains Calendula, which prevents dryness and moisturizes skin, chamomile, which helps with calm skin irritation and has some anti-inflammatory properties as well, Yarrow, which is an astringent and cleanses. Again, you'll notice kind of a running theme here. Dry skin is probably one of the more common items that you might use in, say, wintertime, or if you're a big climber. Everyone gets dry skin in one way or another. Could also be really helpful for some psoriasis. Whatever it is, definitely big fan. Pain relief here. The pain relief contains ginger, which has a warming and soothing action, where peppermint is cooling and calming. This kind of lends it to be more of a icy hot tiger balm type of salve. So that kind of thing. It's basically going to be your traditional muscle rub. The First Aid is actually more of a combination of the dry skin and poison ivy salve. It contains the Calendula and Yarrow that you'll find in the dry skin salve, and the comfrey that you'll find in poison ivy. It is basically a combination of the two. Lastly, we have the Skin Repair Salve, which right here is more of a stick. Makes it a little bit easier to apply to controlled areas. And this contains blue yarrow, which protects and helps relieve some minor skin irritations, blue chamomile, which helps some minor sunburn scars, rosehip seed oil, which protects for overexposed skin from the sun, and it is rich with aloe vera and vitamin E. Also could be pretty useful for sunburns. All of these salves are thoughtfully crafted, they're affordable, and in my opinion are superior to a lot of their all-natural counterparts. Personally, I'm a firm believer that less is more, and that holds true to ingredients as well. If what goes into these salves is something you pay attention to, then Green Goo's products are probably going to be right up your alley, and I definitely suggest you check it out. Especially for anyone who's looking to start putting together a first aid kit for your time outdoors. All of these products could be perfect as a starter selection for your first aid kit. They make a great base for anyone who wants to just stay safe and have everything you would need in case of an emergency. Their ingredients are truly natural, and they do have a list on their website with more information about the action and function of each ingredient. We could link that below for you. That's it for our first look of Green Goo. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think about these products below. If you've tried it yourself, we'd love to hear what you think. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel where you can stay up to date on some other first looks from some incredible products by some amazing brands in the outdoor sport industry. And lastly, if you haven't already, check out the Ready Eddie membership where you can save up to 50% off thousands and thousands of products from some incredible brands just like Green Goo. That's it for now, and we'll catch you next week with another Ready Eddie First Look.